everybody, I'm Master Kelly. Welcome back. I know you guys haven't seen me for a while, but that was because we were on Dojo Go TV doing a 6-episode series. But now that that series is over, we're going to get started with a new lesson today. This is going to be our Minecraft martial art lesson, volume number 2. Let's get started. Chariot? Kanye? Awesome. All right, we're going to count to 10 in Korean today. Make sure you guys repeat after me. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, we're going to rotate our arms just like this, left and right. I'm going to say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, we're going to take one hand, stick it out like this. We're going to do 10 touches on one side and 10 on the other. Everyone say 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. All right, let's do the other side this time. Try to touch your toes. Ready? 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. Awesome. Good job. Good warm up. Everyone shake it out. Shake it out. Legs and hands. Good. Chariot. Kanye. Awesome. All right. When I say fighting stance, we're going to 1 foot back, both hands up. Ready? Push hands. And that wasn't very fast. Chariot. All right. Let's see who can be the fastest. Ready? Push hands. Oh, nice. Again. Chariot. Awesome. Ready? Oh, no, go yet. Ready? Oh, not yet. Not yet. Ready? Push hands. Awesome. Good job. All right. Here's a combination we're going to work on today. We're going to throw a left hand jab. Now, when we jab, we're going to move laterally to one side. Okay? So watch this. When I say jab, we're going to move this way. I'm going to say jab. Good. Nice. Now we're going to jab and come right back. Jab. Awesome. Again. Jab. Good. Jab. Awesome. Good job. Jab. Good. Jab. Good work, you guys. Again. Jab. Good. Jab. Awesome. 2 more times. Jab. Good. Jab. Awesome. Good. Okay, now this time, we're going to move to our left. We're going to go jab, cross. Then we're going to come right back. Jab, cross. Make sure you pivot that back leg. Ready? Going this way. Jab, cross. Good. Go the other way now. Jab, cross. Awesome. Good job. Again. Jab, cross. Awesome. Good work, you guys. Again. Jab, cross. Good. 2 more times. Go. Jab, cross. Good. 1 more. Go. Jab, cross. Awesome. Very good work. High five. Good job. Good job. Now this time, we're going to move this way. We're going to go jab, cross, but then we're going to come right back. Hook. Then we're going to low kick. All the way around in a circle, okay? Let's do that again. Everyone go jab, cross, hook, low kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Now make sure you have plenty of room around you. Make sure you don't kick anybody or anything. Let's practice that again. Ready? Go jab, cross, slide to that hook, hook, low kick. Awesome. Good, good, good. 1 more time. Ready? Go jab, cross, hook, low kick. Awesome. Good job, you guys. High five. Very good work. Okay, we're going to play a game with Dojo. Come out here, Dojo. Awesome. So this wouldn't be a Minecraft lesson unless we were building things, right? So here's what's going to do. Dojo's going to build up some blocks for us. Now, like the last video, what we're going to do is we're going to break the blocks. Now, when we break the blocks, we're going to practice 3 techniques. We're going to practice hammer fist. Someone say hammer fist. Good. So we're going to go hammer fist, twisting knife hand, and then ridge hand. Okay, ridge hand, you hit with the front of your hand like this. Ridge hand, sometimes we call this an overhand punch. But it's the same thing, but your hand's extended. Does that make sense? Okay, awesome. So let's try that together. So hands up, fighting stance. All right, Dojo, let's build the first block. Awesome. All right, we're going to break the first one. Hammer fist. Good, awesome. Now we're going to do the next one up here. Twisting knife hand, twisting knife hand. Good, awesome. Now third one up high, ridge hand. Good, awesome. So we're going to practice low, middle, and high with our techniques, okay? Ready? And we go hammer fist. Twisting knife hand. Ridge hand. Awesome. Again, you guys. Again, go hammer fist. Twisting knife hand. Ridge hand. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Again. And hammer fist. Twisting knife hand. Ridge hand. Awesome. Good job. One more time. Ready to go. Hammer fist. Twisting knife hand. Ridge hand. Awesome. Very good job, you guys. High five. High five, Dojo. Good. Uh-oh. You guys hear that sound? Oh, I think the creepers are coming up. Dojo, we gotta build the base real quick, so that way the creepers don't get to us. Can you guys help me in Dojo build the base? Awesome. So here's what we're going to do. Dojo's gonna gather materials, and we gotta chop them up to make sure they can turn into a building. Does that make sense? So here's what we're gonna do. Dojo's gonna hand us the material. What we gotta do is we gotta make a steady, solid foundation. So we're gonna hold a horse stance. When Dojo hands the materials, we're gonna do 10 hammer fists all the way down until it's completely broken up, and then Dojo will have enough time to build the house. Okay, so ready? I'm gonna hold your horse stance, and everyone say Hana. Do it. Set. Net. Toss it. Yes it. Igo. You there? Aho. Here. Awesome. Good job, you guys. Whoa, we're safe. The creepers are going away. Very good job, you guys. Oh, what's that, Dojo? We're having a Zoom lesson today? Awesome. Well, kids, if you guys are interested in seeing the next part of this lesson, we're going to be heading over to Zoom right when this video ends. I provided a link down below so you guys can try out the Zoom lessons. Now, this is part of a 14-day trial, parents, so just keep in mind that it is a 14-day free trial, so you can try 2 Zoom lessons, and if you guys want to continue, you can. If not, you can cancel, no problem, okay? So, and you can find that by going to dojogotv.com, okay? Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Base here, Chariet. Awesome. See you all later. Bye-bye. Hey parents, are you looking for a way to help your child get more active, more confident, more resilient, and more focused? Hi, my name is Taylor Kelly, creator of Dojo Go, and today I would like to introduce to you our very own app called Dojo Go TV. Our app will give you access to a library of different courses updated throughout the year for your kids to enjoy full-length lessons away from YouTube. This means no ads, no suggested videos, and your membership continues to support Dojo Go content. Each series inside the app takes your kids on an interactive story to help them not only learn the moves from martial arts, but also have lots of fun along the way. Members on the app will be able to join a weekly Zoom lesson that meets every Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Our app is also available on Roku devices as well as computers. If you're ready to start, click the link below to join our program now.